In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the pen tool in Figma to create custom shapes, lines, and curves. Start by opening your Figma file or creating a new design. Once you're on the canvas, activate the pen tool by clicking the pen icon in the toolbar or pressing P on your keyboard. Next, click anywhere on the canvas to place your first anchor point. Continue clicking to add more points and create straight lines between them. If you want to create a custom shape, keep adding points and then click back on the first point to close the path. For an open path, simply press Enter when you're finished. To create curved lines, click and drag while placing an anchor point. This will create curve handles that allow you to adjust the direction and shape of the curve. After creating your path, you can select individual points and move them to refine your design. You can also adjust the fill color, and stroke width from the Properties panel. The pen tool is perfect for creating custom icons, illustrations, logos, and unique UI elements that can't be made with basic shape tools. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to use the pen tool in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.